Girl, I'm glad you're alright, so, you know. But you see this one now, teach me a lesson. Cause I looking, that's what I say. This one dog not the same look.
Me! I gonna show them wicked, bossy.
Me
No hurt me,
me
please.
shot him in a man.
Please don't hurt me.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Delicate, the way we move, the shifting light we drift through, a gentle rush, yet also still. Home is when I'm with you. No need to try, 'cause you're more than enough. Flow like the river, deep only for us. Kaleidoscope of patterns flow into one. Come together with the setting sun. Wash over me, cleanse me completely to the rhythm of your tide, 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 tide. Every fear subsides softly to the rhythm of our life. The silence draws us closer still. Unspoken words we see through. Collecting time, this love is kind. We found a place to belong. No need to try, 'cause you're more than enough. Flow like the river, deep only for us.
Me no know what do I should not breathe or nothing. Yes, all blood me still come out. Wait. Oh yeah. Oh yes sir, yes, alright, thanks. Jesus Christ. Boy, my daughter. Tina, my daughter. You know something love you, you know? Me love you not when me say me not me. Oh God. Oh, get up, please. I'm sorry about everything. Oh, anything that happened to you, you can't explain and tell me. I'm gonna listen, please. Just tell me, talk to me. Wake up.
I try to go, but I can't keep it to myself. Who do I call? You call my name because you know there's no one else. 'Cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold, turn around on your knees, take the pain just to feel.
Dr. Gowd,
Hello, how you doing?
not so good, sir.
Ah, boy.
I just want check up on my daughter to know if she go come out. And next thing I want to know if you think she go make it.
Mrs. Brown, your daughter will make it. Right? As we speak, she's in stable condition right now. We at Omega Medical Hospital, we are well trained doctors here. So you don't need to worry. You need not to worry. It's just that she needs some more time. We need more time rather to get that poison out of her system.
Okay.
So please don't worry, man. Your daughter is in good hands.
But I couldn't sleep last night, doctor. I pray, I ball. So till I'm there worry about. Because remember, say I'm one daughter. I don't know if I go have no more kids, sir.
You see, nothing is wrong with praying and nothing is wrong with crying. Right?
So, doctor,
Yeah.
can I ask you something, please? Sorry.
Yes.
She start eat anything?
No, not as yet.
So she still having the drip and stuff?
Yes. So just give it a few more days. Right? Yeah,
Okay.
man. 3 more days and she'll be out of the hospital. Okay?
Okay, so you
Yeah,
said she will get discharged in 3 days'
3
time.
days time.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah, man. I'm going home now because I worked last night, you know?
All right, thanks.
Good.
I try to go, but I can't keep it to myself. Ooh, no, I call. You call my name because you know there's none else. 'Cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold, turn around on your knees, take the pain just to feel when you walk through the night and it's so cold.
It's Ivy! Give me a minute, I'm there on a cool shade. Chacha, can't believe some little friend in hospital. How could I go on? Say we go find out. See how somebody do or nothing. God go with them. So, alright, Father God, do me not lose my little niece or my little nephew. Because I don't know I'm to some people from what they know. Come like them if you got some of my dirty money. They not even know what I do to them if just I'm just calm down myself, yeah, man. They see right now. Miss Ivy! Me coming! Miss Ivy.
That's all what my name so loud. I mean, the answer to this, I come, I didn't know about you and be. They can't just wait.
Miss Ivy, it's not a matter of wait, you know. I see through me as a business woman. I have things to deal with. I still take a little time to go and find out what I go on with my friend Tina. You understand? So where you see they go on now, Miss Ivy? What really they go on? Cause me, boy. You know, so me hear the ambulance and I know so I saw it come. Ah man, but things are going like Gideon and look how long it take to reach me ears. See a Tina ambulance come for. Miss Ivy, what really go on?
Yes, listen to me. My daughter in a serious condition. I know nothing normal. The doctor said they find poison inside her and they have to try wash it out her system. And I didn't know that Tina did pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes.
So, sir. You sure Dr. Manasi good or what I mean by Tina pregnant?
You know what about there? Because you see, that the hospital there, when she there, you hear her name? And I best in her waist. You hear her name?
What name?
Omega Hospital. It's up on the beach road, Norman Manley Boulevard in a Negril, if you never know. Alright, they should a good doctor them. Best doctor in the West. You hear what me I tell you? If me never go there before, I would make my daughter there. Me not tell no lie. Me say, from you enter the reception, the receptionist, you know already they call it assistants. Them talk to you so nice. customer service there, Omega Hospital, and them pay attention to the patient, them good. Them a take care of her.
Miss Ivy, no disrespect. Me not really want to know about the people them at the
But me tell you what
hospital
happened
right
to her
now.
already.
Listen
You
to Miss
didn't know-
Ivy.
You didn't know about it? Or you come use
No, Miss Ivy, me not know say Tina prayer. Me I say as a real friend where you have, you know make nobody know say you're pregnant. And that me I talk about. And then at the end of the day, me need to find out who put poison and drink.
That you talk about?
And that me come.
In the day, me when they wonder if you know about what happened to my daughter because of your friend. I remember say me never want she talk to you no all.
Hold on
and
there.
be no friend with you.
Hold on there.
Because all of you not tell me for hold on. You come and me had a halot. Miss Ivy like me and your friend and you and my daughter friend, me and no friend. My daughter friend is not my
Miss
friend.
Ivy, my name
And
can't touch me in my face, Miss Ivy.
How you go do? I get.
Me no, Miss Ivy, me nah deal no. Miss Ivy, you know me respect you.
Miss Ivy, me not quarreling no, but you know as a mother, me go feel upset and talk one kind of way to you. Where some me never want she be no friend with you. Then this go happen to her. And me they believe say you know you should have come to me and tell me as her mother. But you not say nothing to me. No, it look like you don't know about it, you couldn't go ask me.
Miss Ivy, you still make me feel want me. Miss Ivy come like a ball but Miss Ivy, you see, Miss Ivy, you see, anytime me get stammer, a ball, me go ball no. Miss Ivy, imagine me friend in hospital, you tell me say, member say me not too this, me not too like, me not too. Miss Ivy, sometimes I have to cool man, Miss Ivy man. I have to cool man.
Wait, hold on there. So me ask you a question. So you never know that she's pregnant?
No, Miss Ivy.
And you say your best friend. So how you don't know that? No, you see the reason why me have to talk to you so hard, all when I no cuss me the cuss, but me feel away if you know say, me own a daughter, just drop down in front of me and me see pure blood that spit out her mouth. And her best friend don't know about it.
You see, that for sure, Miss Ivy say, listen, me is not a bad company. Because, you check your reaction now, Miss Ivy. You see, same like how Tina and tell us certain things, I see him where Tina and tell me.
That means you're not no best friend.
I'm my best friend, but probably you don't want to tell me because I know me go tell him the right thing. And Miss Ivy, if Tina never my best friend, right? When Tina check me what day, more to give her so much US. Remember me rich in Miss Ivy.
Okay. So are you?
Yeah,
and
Miss
you give her
Ivy.
so much money?
Yeah, me give her much money, Miss Ivy. And the next thing to Miss Ivy, me not cut you. But me have to talk this too. You can't too hard pan girl pitney. You can't too hard for the little girl, Miss Ivy. Me I tell you say, you can't too soft, you can't too hard. You get what me I say?
And my daughter, she not supposed to tell me no lie. You know she tell me say she get the money from? You know she tell me how she come by? Say I find she find it. Then if she always a tell me lie, how me I go soft on her?
So Miss Ivy,
When she a tell me the truth, how me I believe like that? So if you never thought no me would know say you she get the money from. What hard in that? She could have said my friend give me.
Miss Ivy, that's what me tell you, say you can't too hard for the little girl, Miss Ivy. Actually, because you're hard for her, she afraid to tell her the truth and afraid to talk to you, you know. Man, Miss Ivy, where you say you go now?
The only thing when me I say now is if you want to go up at Omega Hospital go look for her, you can go and go visit her and carry something for her.
So, what time of visiting time?
You know, when I nurse tell me say 1 o'clock and 6 o'clock in the evening.
1 o'clock and 6 o'clock in the
1
evening.
o'clock in the day, 6 o'clock in the evening. You can go any one of them.
Miss Ivy, put everything aside. How far is it coming out? Miss Ivy, you sure say, I not in Mackie feeding pan over the car?
Oi. Nobody pass your place with me. Because you start calling me Ivy, they like me and your size. Nobody with it. Just make me stay normal and cool and just talk. Here?
Miss
As
Ivy.
two individual writers. So we are talking about for your friend and my daughter. Just deal with that part. You know,
Miss
bother
Ivy,
with this.
the reason why I ask her that if they kill him, we know Tin Mackie over there now, because Tina tell me saying, tired of chicken back and tired of tin food them. That's a suckles me give me money what they you know. Say, figure we a call it there. Say, figure buy some groceries. You understand? And bear in mind, me never know say she pregnant, so but a fee say me give him money for the belly. And you are tell me say she pregnant. But from what them a tell me say chicken back them boy. You tell me say them chicken back them till they come like in
You
fear.
want a whole conversation about where we eat or we yard. I say you come down. Try to figure out where people name from where they don't name and you know like chat about. Let me ask you something. You never eat in mackerel yet. Before you start whole money in your hand for the call, go on like a Miss Lavish Queen. Eh?
No, me never name tin mackerel. You know what kind of mackerel me
And you,
eat?
they live lavish, like I say, yeah, this and yeah, that. So true because we have to name the tin mackerel and we have to name the chicken, but that means say what? Eh? Listen to me. Not a tin mackerel no do or nothing. Me the name tin mackerel from me in our grandmother belly. That I in my mother belly.
Miss
And
Ivy.
nothing no do it until today me name tin mackerel. Nothing no do her with no tin mackerel. Something else happen.
Then Miss Ivy. Something else happened. What happened, Miss Ivy?
Them say one dangerous poison in our body, what they call rodenticide. Yes, I want dangerous chemical, so it in our blood, and them a try to get it out our system. It's very serious, it's dangerous. Right now, she on that drip. Drip, you know that same thing there with the buckle, and it come down with the pan the hanya. One big old long needle in the hanya, and be tie up and bandage. They all put sitting in our nose and it gone around here, so me not even know what. Me see doctor take off one sitting off and he set it so, and it come down here so, and in the test under here so and sitting. But the heart normal, but
Ah, man.
serious. Listen, I want serious condition, Sheena. What do you call it?
So who could have
Critical?
poisoned Tina?
Me no know. Only God know. But me pray and
Miss
hope
Ivy, here we
that
go
I
now.
get
Miss Ivy, here we go now.
healed
Take it
in the
easy.
name of Jesus.
Take it easy, Miss Ivy. Where is you right now? Me have some errands to go run. But before me run the errands, Miss Ivy. You sure say a poison they find in our system around you sure say no blow they send pan him hobby. Miss Ivy, so they have to check out up in there, Miss Ivy, so they have to guard up. You understand? Because some more while people not like you and true they not like you, they send it for your pitney, so you have to guard up, Miss Ivy. And Miss Ivy, I look for me so.
You idiot. The doctor say I want dangerous toxic poison in our body. What me just say? Dangerous toxic poison in our body. Them study medical. How would they tell me I go off? You no believe in too much hobby. You know. Everything a hobby. What you mean? What you just
Toxic.
say? Eh? If you know you have to know a hobby, you know foot have to know, no head have to know, everything a hobby. Eh? Oi. That the poison they dangerous. The doctor say I want dangerous substance finding a rat poison. Yes.
Fuck say, Miss Ivy. No man. You sure not leptospirosis, doctor tell us say, Miss Ivy, what you mean if you tell me say I be right there over your yard, you're not clean out a place? No man, Miss Ivy, if you want big man, if you clean out the rat them, because me not understand, you tell me, you come and start tell me now, say, they find one dangerous substance in where you not said to me, car? Where they say? Miss Ivy, and if you clean out the place, man, if you do better than that man, Miss Ivy. And leptospirosis, I want to tell me, and then they go tell me about
Oh,
substance.
you forgot how you talk to? Listen to me. Me just a simple tell you where the doctor say, you chat about rat full up over my yard. Well, like how you is the rat poison. Come, let me set you over my yard to kill out the rat. Then you damn face damn out of that.
Miss Ivy, here we go now. Me need to go run one errands, and me not, you
Why?
see, you would have come like my mother, me not, you see, just go on in, Miss Ivy, go on in.
You can't tell me if you go on in and me get me there. You
Miss
left
Ivy,
from me.
go on in, Miss Ivy.
Alright, thank you for coming check up on my daughter. Go on. Aye, sir.
Miss Ivy, Miss Sue, come here.
You damn in need favor rainstorm. Make sure you say hurry up, go look for your friend. 1 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Remember, say me tell you.
Yo, bossy, yo, can't come and work today, you know. Mean so I make, yo, them in here say, baby mother the hospital, man. I mean, and right now, I'm grieve about that, you know. Yeah. People ain't tell me saying drop down, man. I wonder how that happened. And why that happened. Yeah, bossy. Right now, yeah, so I can't move right now, and I can't come down the same. So if you want to see me, you know, boss, you have to come up and come link me, you know. You see me? Right now, things not going good at any time. Me find out a which boy or girl do that. Boss, you know my style, you know. A problem of dirt. 6 foot 6. Here. Remember, me tell him, man, me up on the corner, man, so. Come give me a link, cause me can't move right now, right now, me just there, so with a hot cliff right now. Well hot, overheat hot. For sure, it's a whole heap of grabber. I'm craving in there yet. Anytime I find out how, remember me tell him, man, problem here. Alright, father. Sorry for you talk to you so loud, still no disrespect, but you don't know. The anger will go in a man, cause my mom's that, you see me? Alright, normal, pretty cold. Don't a long talk. Say, youth, so watch what go on, man. Anytime I find out who do this to my woman, youth, a problem. Father God, in that blue sky over my head, you know. Come on there, start talk about them youth. Man, youth, so some company we youth and now make a deal with them nice and good youth and some people are trying to grow on me thing. Anytime I find out who do that, yo, sorry about that. Yo, me say yo, anytime I find out, man, a problem in this village, yeah. Youth, some people are trying to grow on man thing, youth. Yo, you see, all the one Ivy, you better make sure say in this, her put her hand on her. Remember me tell her that. When the response, she no mother right now to what things set. That me I make them know. So watch how go on, man. Upliftment man want do. And then people are come and put man on the next road youth. Yo, man, youth. Alright, man. Show them who is spot much less whole. Watch what go on this. Look how man all there say them I go love badness youth. And me youth I go ban. I say I go steal from trouble, steal from people, bad mind and wicked, and then still I can't try to draw me out. That's why they go do my woman that. Alright. Alright. Thing good here. No, see.
Yeah, man, as what I say, bro. I've got to put off that work there till next week. Because it's one of my staff, them know. My main staff, him kind of want to look a phrase, I know. He might try to go through some depression things. You don't know what way. I even go check right now. Yeah, bro, I don't like say the place I go run. The place is the same way, you know. So that can't deal with any time, bro. So I dog, me I go check on one. See if the dog good and everything. Alright, now start. Yo, Patrol, what you deal with? Main worker, biggest staff.
And
Come check up on your well-being, you know?
Yeah, I'm there in a bossy.
So let's see how go on now.
Right now, me say them poison me out, you know. Poison me baby mother, you know. And I ramp them people I ramp with my future in a bossy. And right now, you know my style, you know.
I lie you tell.
Yeah, it means say lie me I tell them. So me say them poison baby mother. So from them poison baby mother, now me out them poison.
No, man. Your youth are going to come out alright. Your youth are going good, man. By the hands of God, your youth are going good. Everything are going to be alright, man. Then me dey on my block and say me have to go and check your well-being, you know. And find out if everything good. But that's a little simple thing that I don't know how to fret about, not worry about it. You have to just hope and pray say everything alright. Because I remember the day when you tell me say condom bust, you know. And your lady get pregnant, you know. You did happy and so proud of that situation there, you know. So everything will go alright, man.
I know, bossy. You don't even know how I feel right now. Right now, them people are ramp with my future, you know. And my future, this will come right now. For me start my future right away, and then people are ramp with my future, you know. You see me, bossy, me I tell you, anytime me find out who, you know my style, I have to tell you.
The dirt, man, dirt.
Straight dirt and nothing can get for splurt. Here.
Man.
Different.
Shake with that, man. Shake with that.
Madness youth. If you poison a baby mother. That wrong, brother. all the creator. No! So when I hold that, I have to chain him up.
True, man. Yo, anybody do that still, you know, wicked, you know, man. They deserve to get it still, you know.
No, they no wicked a bad man, them bad man and cruel. Me! I go show them wicked, bossy.
Them deserve to get it, man. No jokes. So hold on. You sure say a pies of them pies now?
Yo, bossy, that me there some maths, you know. Because his mama want liard piece of woman in a youth. I can thump her in her belly down there, you know. And I walk and tell him friend them about how he pies in her because she know say it a go reach back in the car patrol, me name in her friend reach on the street, he have to reach me ears, that's it. And she know. You see me? So any me find out she a grown, she a try grown me. Me I tell you.
Treasure youth. Rough youth. Can't believe youth.
Wickedest mother-in-law me ever meet, that youth. I tell you youth, Ivy. Boy named Ivy. I can think of my Ivan. Yo, that's
Ivy sound wicked cause Ivy needs to Ivan Storm. You know what's Storm in Ivan?
Ivan. You talk about Ivan near to envy. You hear? Hey, actually, you don't even know youth. Just remember me tell you, man.
Really feel, man, cause you're one of my main staff, you know, man. Right, and you know, my biggest staff, you know. But now I said no to nothing, you know.
Bad man. Joke them a joke with me thing here, bossy. And you see me stay far from people. Worse, me I try to start my family and now. You hear? Family. Me youth, bossy. And the woman they doing one that we can try. If you mash me down in life, brother. Bossy, my line up two things for me, you know. You hear?
Like what, sir?
Tall things like how me tell up on the phone, see around here right now. Man, tall like this, look funny. Want the machine in tall like this.
Alright, now say I heard.
Here? What me
I
say?
heard.
Want the machine in tall like this, bossy. Alright now, maybe in a bag of long talking, the kind of more me talk, I grieve what me I get, you know. But you see man, vibes changing the bossy. You know, see man really hurt, you know.
No,
Here.
way them, man. Anybody would have heard. No, tell a lie.
Brother! You know you're a teen in hospital.
Hey, me there say talk to bossy boy. Alright now, me grieving, you sis.
Yeah, what going on? You see, cause right now, me need to, me have to go move now. Cause 1 o'clock visiting and me need to go out there. I will buy some things and carry gear. And you are going to know, you need to go up there too. And you know, me not have to tell you where you need to go up there for. You understand?
Yo, sis, I don't even know you. Say,
Oh, hold on. In case you have money, so 1 3 bills.
nah, man, praise this, man. Yo. Bossy.
Hey, oh.
Bossy, how can I style like bossy?
Yo, me I hung up on you already, you know. Me I knock you.
You know the right thing, man.
Me I make you think they reach you.
Yeah, because I have to go to hospital now, you see me? Go and do the right thing. Bossy,
Eh?
why you look for my sister, so?
Then me can't like your sister. You make it look like say you can't like your sister. Me I go up on the ends. Me I make one of them things they reach you. So yo, one of them money you know.
Bossy, this have to spend on the mans, man. You know when things come down, man, I have 2 more to make when I drop them in my hand money, you know, so
Alright, lend me one.
levels of it up, you see?
Lend me one.
Bossy, not even that kind of night right now.
Why I'm staff for the youth, me so.
Bossy, you know the situation I'm in right now. Oh, bossy, pre me sister, so.
Bombado star. I saw you boy sister rich.
Yo. Bossy said me can't like my sister. Oh, bossy said that. Thing good still.
About $1 million that in a US, you know. No, sir, half a dream, me a dream. That can't real. Backside, I no dream. I no dream that. When sister do with so much money? Alright, now see I heard. Me know what me go do.
man what you say? Rich and talk. No, not that man. Right now, no, it's not the time for beg me no money. Me not no money for give nobody. Yeah. Cause right now, right now, my niece or my little never in a somebody belly right now. I battle for life. So let me tell you, me now, listen, so you talk to me, but you tell me say I saw more money for give me. Me not no money for give nobody right now. Yeah. No.
Where are the money?
Don't shoot me. Don't.
No, give me money. You know we are rampant. So much money I'll buy you. Yeah, boss me, boss
No.
me in here, you know. Hey.
Hey boy. If you lucky see you stick me up here, boy. Alright, watch you go on. Cause you don't even know how to just start. Watch you go on. I don't mean to make you know. Watch you go on. It's Ivy! Miss Ivy, come here, I want to talk to you.
Oh, you know hear about the gunshot them? Eh? You hear about the gunshot them?
So Miss Ivy,
Why you hear yourself?
Miss Ivy, I me just fire for now.
How you?
I me just shoot off for.
You are-
Rob me money and shoot off for me.
No go so. You know weapon you can't take gunshot, you must be crazy. Are you fit you?
Miss Ivy, I me just
So you're not going to report it to the police?
report what?
A serious situation this is?
Report what? You are just start.
Yeah.
You are just,
You have gun?
Miss Ivy, where me get gun from?
So you mean they were just start like you ready to go fight people with a gun? What is wrong with you?
Where me get gun from? He's a principal young lady. Where me get gun from? Me say you are just start. You don't worry about that. Me not report nothing. Me not report. All of my money then gone with.
Yeah. You better you go report it to the police.
Oh, Miss Ivy.
Better when you report it to the police, make them take you up in a hand. You can't manage them, there's something there.
Miss Ivy, here I go now. Just go back in.
Yo, tap here, so. I get some. Serve!
I get bossy.
I get a craving here. Serve!
Stack up, man. Yeah, bossy, get one for me.
Alright, I get two of them. Alright. Thanks, here, auntie. Money enough up in our pocket though. Rich. No way, me rich. So you say I go on now?
You know, bossy, right now.
Forward me could go on there, sir.
No, man. Bossy, right to some I go, you know.
Oh.
You see me, must me tell about the little thing that I go on now.
With your baby mother?
Baby mother me go link and see what I go on.
Okay.
Because what day, go to my hospital if I go drop off the thing them I get for her, you see me? You see them change the law I get. But man, I go down to the place kind of hot one way.
Hold on.
police and
Let me
detective.
check how much money, because the more you talk, you feel like money has disappeared.
Police and detective in a place, so
Yeah.
I couldn't get to drop everything myself, so I have to give one doctor run the operation for me and drop it off gear. So I go check her mother right now to find out what go on and if she get the things them, see me. But bossy, how you get so much US from what day? What go on?
You don't worry about that. He's a Chinese boy, I'm going to stick up and take away money.
Bossy, you can't find that move there?
No, I can't bring man for move and stress out, bro. Instead of you go pint to gun, so you go to pint to sucker your stress.
You're mad. I tell you about flick quick. Money have to jump up.
I like to.
No talking, then can't even looking at my face. Bossy, we are
Me
talk,
have one
bro.
next mission I want me to go on. This time a bigger food, so you go alright and comfortable. Alright, so here now. Let's show you my biggest stuff. Buy a juice.
Mean bossy chat about. What am I
Let's
talk
show
about?
you bring me come here. Buy some gas.
Quick and fast.
Alright. You're good with that?
I think you come up with something more with something else.
See you wait for me if you go in our shop.
Yeah.
That's for your pocket.
Alright. Should I give me one for Boniface too?
Alright. That's for Boniface.
Alright, boss, now I'll make you link on circle back. You see it?
Alright.
Oh, I think I want more you take out. Give me. I like it.
What's up?
Yeah, but some circle.
Save it! Save it! Where you want, boy? Where you want?
A minute, the place and time. Sorry. Mr. Fan, what do you mean if you have a real big woman and big man talk? Mr. Evan. Go and feel that thing, Mr. Evan.
Are you father?
Mr. Evan,
Where you come and me had a question about my picnic, sir?
what a
You know me not like you from morning. What you want? What you want with my daughter? What you want to know what I want for her?
Mr. Evan, what a great future for your daughter.
What you want with my daughter? What you want to know what I want for her? Eh? Eh?
Mr. Evan.
Boy, you see for my daughter no in nothing with you. And he no want you. Me tired to leave. Me tired to tell you to leave my daughter alone. Eh? Yes, me understand. My daughter left school. She graduate. She leaves school the good way. You? I drop out of school. Me know your mama, you know. Me know your my alien. Me know her good. Me know say you never used to like school. Say one come tell me that in idiot now. Now go so.
Mr. Ivy,
Now go so at all.
I don't come down here so to talk to you about no drop out of school and no drop out of this or drop out of that. I come to ask you what your daughter doing in the hospital.
What?
Mr. Ivy, I really want to know
Wara?
if you fix a daughter in her belly, you know. Cause that me the hear, you know.
So you know some daughter in hospital?
I say, wicked woman.
The other city, look here, I can't come tell me, or ask me, because I can't tell her, they tell me, say, me fist my daughter in. Why would I fist my daughter in her belly? For what sake? And a matter of fact, if me even thump my daughter in her belly or her back, how that concern you?
Mr. Ivy, I was coming around the road the other day. You see him friend we always sit down and so up with. She tapped me. Here, I want water by her to it's on hot. And she tell me everything you say. You fix a daughter in her belly. She tell
Which
me
friend
that.
do they talk about? My friend? I don't have no friend but God. And Mary and Martha. You cannot be my friend. And a matter of fact, I not even want you to come to my yard. You can't question me about my daughter. So, the whole I want to know is my daughter is in hospital. I wonder if you have something to do with this thing.
Mr.
With my
Ivy,
daughter in hospital. You come and use it for me. Miss Ivy every minute.
Mr. Ivy, you mash up your life. You notice you only get one youth. Listen to me. I have a beautiful future for your daughter. She's going to have more than 12.
I beg your pardon now, what you're not
Okay?
saying.
Listen to me. She not going to get all and crub up like you.
Look here, look around quick. You know what I'm saying?
Miss Ivy.
You know, say me get you there.
Me not mean,
You know, say
me not mean like that.
The last time me talk to you, no boy.
Me not mean like that, Miss Ivy.
You them mingle up with me that your face you can come turn up and address me in that them manner there.
Create up my
Me
cut.
could have be your mother. You out order.
Miss
You lucky
come
say me
on,
no call
there,
police
man.
fire and me get up and tell them say you come here come in argument with me country about a one me have. You know say damn in out order.
Yo, Miss Ivy. Come here. Nah, good mood in Miss Ivy. I'm see her flip and I go and so you know it thing come down in Miss Ivy. See how my dog turn up over there say, you know. I have
Which
flip
dog?
up herself. It's my dog right there, so. Yeah, flip up herself in Miss Ivy. And you know it thing come down, you know.
So, hold on there. No a boy that where they do all kind of badness in the area where they call Zeeks. So a few squab that too. And you come along. So you can't come at me gate for come do. Where you can't come for come do?
Yeah. Take time to man I want you to talk about my boss here. No way I do. Miss Ivy, you know if everything come down in the street. You know me a bad boy in the street. So for you see yourself push me off a bike like that, you see me even retaliate or do nothing. Miss Ivy, I rate my rating and respect you here. You have to know what you do. And listen to me.
Alright.
Listen to me.
Where you say now? Where you say?
Listen
Tell me
to
what
me.
you say. Where you say? Me I listen. You notice me tone of voice gone down. Where you say now?
I want you to know. So, I'm me breed a daughter too.
What? You? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, though.
Not a thing. I just did kind of. It's okay. Me
See the
listen.
future, me have for your daughter. You have to go respect that. Here. And see if you go on too hyperactive and go on too boots up, or too hypey. Listen to me. I have a lots of soldiers on the camp. I can get one to breed you too. Remember, see how we run off the street. So don't show up yourself.
Now go on no hyperactive.
I want to
Never
show you that
drink less
respect.
sugar.
I want to show you that respect. I want you to cherish her the best way you ever cherished somebody before. And listen to me. I want you to listen to me good. Treat her good. You hear me say? Treat her good. And don't make me hurt you. You hear? Come here, say, yo. You say no officer in her belly alone too, you know. You see, you poison her, you know. And make sure that no go so.
But dog, what go on? I want no help done there.
Nah man, everything good man, everything portal man, everything govern man, me have it under control.
Alright,
See
that's
that?
the party.
You even know. Here? You know, so everybody have respect when I street differently. You know that. So me know you two pass the place. And make sure you get her out of the hospital quick and fast. You see the baby? Any little money you make, you put on half of that. You know, so that I have to buy baby clothes and baby equipment. Make sure.
Yes, sir.
I'm going back over here now. To the gold chain around the neck too. I'm going to be a baby first present. Make sure you clean it up when they go over. And push me off on my bike to the car because me I don't even know some bad dog do this. What am I going to do? I don't even know. Say, yo.
Tina girl. Girl, come out, come the right here gate are coming now. Alright, girl, I literally reach. So nobody me come there, stand up and wait for you. Come out, girl. Alright. know smoke good and this how we pan. Tina, oh girl.
Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right.
Yeah, but come talk to that shit on your so.
I really know nothing about you need me to
So
say.
yeah, what kind of belly is like I say, still I feel pain.
Girl, yes, me still feel pain.
Oh.
But anyways, me glad to me even come out the hospital. But I can just know you can go look for me. For a few days then I come out.
Girl, come and just know say you come out.
Girl, you see what you tell me, say brother? That not right. Why you tell me say you could have work? I must lose my life, you know?
Girl, me sorry, but listen. I want girl me a listen, you know, cause one girl tell me that all the thing come never put a rat pies in my own because me dey have like a time. You tell me say your mother go kill you, you're my only friend, you know. Me know why your mother kill you. So me think your rat pies would have worked faster, girl. Me never know you almost lose your life.
Well, I lose the belly, you know, but brother, I could have almost lose my life, bro.
Me don't know how that feel if you lose your life. Me sorry. But that's not my fault. Cause the girl tell me that a instruction me a follow.
Alright, I forgive you, oh God.
So where your mother she never find out silly pregnant.
Yeah, she find out, but she don't argue with me or nothing. She just calm and alright. But the point is, me can't leave the yard. All you tell me can't come.
You can't leave your yard.
No.
So anybody go to the party with me?
I went to hospital 4 days ago. How the hell me forgot party?
I know, but sorry, girl, if you didn't analyze me, tell the truth. Would I feel what way? Cause me that say I'm my fault.
I know, but I forgive you. So,
My aunt come out of the yard and didn't even fix my clothes. Me just run come. Cause when me hear say you're there here. See, your mother don't know say me can take a sick.
no, she don't know.
Oh, come, so she don't make me tap the friend with the car, so she stay. So why you have to feed there?
Girl, I know house load. I have to stay home. I have to lay down. Because belly a pain me.
Girl, you better walk out to pain. Cause if you lie down your pain, not go talk. It's just gonna get worse.
Girl, the more I walk out, the more I feel worse now.
I must get to the day, so. Girl, me not think so. I feel like you should have walked. Just tell them what I feel about something or something. Cause if you lie down in the house, they call up. It go worse upon you. What your doctor said by the way?
Well, doctor say find rodenticides in my blood.
Rodenticide?
Yes.
Girl, wait. I'm going to answer this thing. What is rodenticide?
Some price I can find a rat price and stuff. Girl, it cut up your whole inside. I started saying, I really want to talk about it. But the one, no other people go through it.
But I feel like I'm my fault. Cause at least I could have but I try to say your mother, I gotta bring her to the doctor Monday. I mean I want she just find her say pregnant. Come God us make you use the rest of me and Pepsi like what me do.
Oh boy, no, no.
I just wish not that young girl not try this. I mean I want me other girl of full age of you go through this. Cause look here, my only friend nearly lose her life because of this year. That's why I'm not good for have abortion, you know.
It's true. It's true. I don't know how to do it, man.
Go tap on the belly so can everybody go see and know what happened.
My belly a kill me. What you want to do? Oh, therapeutic pain?
Go take time. You want everybody know what that's your belly? But boy, it's a rough. Cause first me hear something on your road denticide. If I go up go search up that. My mother never find out say me pregnant though. Cause when I drink your still and something, but I say blood you know. But it just did after that the pain it just go away. See me look like some still have like a fat. But otherwise I'm dead. My body never find out. I always know I'm pregnant and a girl when they tell my boy so.
Yeah, that's true. But brother, don't tell nobody the information they are give.
No, anytime nobody come to me about no other belly, Me not tell them for that shit to me, I tell them keep it or bring it to the Lord or bring it to the hospital. Me no business. Cause some could make you lose your life. Everybody would have to blame me. I say I me tell them to dash your belly. Cause we should even dash your belly at 4 age.
You know something that you want to tell doctor nothing.
So you not tell him say you drink your rat pies?
What the hell me I tell the man that for?
So you not expect them to go know say you drink the rat pies?
You should feel more. What the hell me I tell them? What me I tell them that for? They don't even
So
know.
you tell them something to you?
Girl, I didn't run some tests and find in my blood. Me the unconscious or whatever. Me could tell them say me go drink rat pies and then go tell mommy. You crazy?
Girl, right now, we still are living in one lie. Because all I know. So how your mother find out say that breed?
Girl, dog got doctor mama find out. The doctor didn't tell her. When they go over there, who of them tell her. But the unconscious, me half, like me half dead.
Wow. Girl,
But
this
even
is
know when
serious.
time me reach a hospital, much less.
See, alone, I listen from this.
I'm glad you know.
Though that's on a belly. What the fuck? What them give you take?
Want a pill they over yard. Want a pill where they give me. You can't, you come like could I even sell you and buy one house.
Girl, I'm glad you're alright, so, you know. But you see this now, teach me a lesson. Cause I lucky me, lucky no. That's why them say pussy and dog not the same luck. Cause watch ya, me take it, all the time I put my person in mind, and me they say alright and strong. You take it and you nearly lose your life. That show we a lesson. Next time, we'll love big people things alone. Cause you see, if whenever they are trouble big people things, we only have belly figure dash way. You didn't say abortion is an abomination to the Lord?
Me know.
Okay, and we do it one time, now my second time. You say, as I'm there, me allow big people things, but until me reach the age for have sex, me have sex. So it's when me reach the age and me have sex, and me can have sex now, and I have baby, me not have to worry about for that shit, because my mother ever find out. Show them murder me.
Me say, thank God for me wanna do me nothing.
Oh, true. When is girl? Lower for the breeding argument now. Girl, we left school, you know. And every day my man a ning in my ear say, oh, I'm just a left school, I'm not doing nothing. Girl, I feel like I'm go back.
For sure, you know. And then we feel talk about another player do.
Come on, think what I do food and beverage, you know?
Yeah, well, me think what I do front desk.
Front desk. You fit the front desk?
Good girl. You really come ask me if me fit for front desk?
Because paying them and go quick, bro.
No, can you give me upset a while ago?
Anyways, yes. So, a 6 months in a girl, so we can go. Although I think for mother want you go on the road after she go find out say they breed. Cause she think me is a good girl same way. Anyways, we go make my mother contact to her and then arrange with them for arrange up and sing. And this time I was serious. No belly is not catching. Understand? Anyways, before they send me, I said, I look, I mean, whenever I come see me, right? So, before they send me, go shop, if I go just sit over there, so I go just sit and come back to come reach up in the yard before I come back.
Alright, I can go back over for me.
Alright, later. Girl, I remember me tell you, nobody have no boyfriend, you know. So we not have to catch no more good come, and I advise you for do nothing more.
Hey, what me go do back with one more man again?
That means today, anyways, me come go up later.
Come on. Where's the school name again?
What school?
The one where we all go.
Oh, that, I forgot. It named Archers NTA. Girl, them train people for do everything. If you want to be cook, hotel, anything, them train people for do. That.
Okay, time I go over my search up here.
Yes, come go over my mother things that man me contact you for me, I got shop.
Alright, come on. Bye-bye.
Same every day, feelings and pain. Everyone said that I better do something. You are no good to me.
You know me do what I say now. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Oh, I look healthy though.
I don't know me can't do all and pull you. So
Let me there, you know. Yeah. Okay, well, I wanna come look for me now one day, so.
how much people come to the hospital go look for you?
Yeah, you want, you know, except from my mother, you know, just you want to say, I feel love you so much, you know. Yeah, I want me.
Can't believe. Can't believe say me, me say me can't believe say me lose. Me not even know whether you have no niece or never. Me can't believe me lose. Why, me I tell
I'm
you.
not sick, you know.
So, where Miss Ivy she are going with?
Well, no. I was going, you know, because usually, mommy would have cuss me and go on the most way. Mommy just over the calm and alright. Mommy not cuss, mommy nothing.
Hold on there. Miss Ivy now cuss again. She not shout, she nothing at all.
No.
No man. Something alright. Something can't right. So me ask some question. For you come out, you see patrol?
No, you know, I do not see him. Tell you the truth, I don't see him.
I may soon come and look for you. Cause right now, brother stress out, you know, man. I'm not telling no lie. Right now, I know my brother that me I look pan. What you tell me say me I walk like a arm? When you sitting there, when you tell me say me I walk like again? Crab and snake in a one. Right now, him favor the crab and snake cause through this incident, why mash him up? He mash him up. I'm not telling no lie. Mash up, man, mash up.
Tell me something. Anytime I'm pregnant, I just doctor him alone.
No, you know. Me say all Miss Ivy want me to tell her. Like she want get something out of me. She can't get it out of me cause Miss Ivy a tell me something and then she a come back round. And then she a go back round what she a say. Me not tell Miss Ivy say you pregnant, you know. And Miss Ivy come like he want me to tell him who get her pregnant and everything. And me tell her plain and straight say listen, me don't know where they talk about and me never know say Tina pregnant. So I must see doctor and tell me say you're pregnant. Yeah.
So, you never tell him how breed me do.
No, Tina come like you not hear me I say. Miss Ivy no get no information from me about them. There's something. I tell you the truth. I'm loyal to you, know, girl. So nobody can feel like me a no snitch.
Girl, how mommy knows your patrol and your brother impregnate me?
Me no know.
That's
I
crazy.
first news this to me. So let me tell you something. Miss Ivy, me I tell you, Miss Ivy don't pa me right. That's what it tell her everything. Me not tell the lady nothing at all. Let me tell you, see, me a bad girl, you know. No can't tell me if you know snitch around so I must think that me a grow and come around a thing. Me loyal. Oh. I patrol a man not even him no loyal like me. Oh. Tell her that.
I know. So, so what make you Ebola? So what make you Ebola?
You know what I'm saying in real life too. God said to speak the truth or forever all our one. So you can't even know if you pull this a bulla ya. Pull a bulla ya. You have to make the people then think that me broke.
Yeah.
I remember saying I'm rich, you know, me have money and me can't afford to. So every day I get up with money and you want peace?
What's up? I eat there one day. I eat there one day.
What's wrong?
Yeah. Well, you see what's that? I take so heap of pill. I'm not going to give me running belly come now. If you agree with me.
Let me take you bull on the Kenny head. How this cigarette running belly? You not keep a pineapple bull on this girl.
Not because I find up a bulla.
Miss Ivy not cooking there.
Yeah.
Very cook.
But,
Me good man. Me good car.
so what make you ask?
No man, cause one time me think me there here say I left us. I not even want to take bad things and do. One time me think Give me there, yes, leptospirosis. Here,
Leptospirosis.
pies here. So, Miss Ivy, how so much rat have in the house and not clean the house, Miss Ivy? Miss Ivy, come like you that text it and knock me out there, so me bright and out of it, takes a rat in the place.
No, mommy done already.
But Tina, phone and joke aside, no. That me the one I do smile though. Phone and joke aside.
No.
Let that be next time. You're good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just kind of start feel pain in my belly.
You're good. Hold on, we not left if we know at that time. We need to talk. What really good on? With the pies the thing when me I hear so go on with you.
Well, girl, tell you the truth, you know. Tell you the truth. I know what say, I Pepsi and Rustin and sitting on rat pies, me go take though. Me tell nobody so nothing. So girl, we help myself out. Girl, we help myself out.
Hold on. Where you just say a while ago?
Girl, I'm gonna say it again. It's the Pepsi and the Rustinia and the... Remember when it's one name and plus the rat pies.
So, when me come and so, and Miss Ivy come and tell me about how they find poisonous substance in your body. A rat poison, leptospirosis. Tina,
Girl, come on, your voice.
Tina.
Nobody know nothing.
Hold on. I don't know leptospirosis. I make me there think say your mother place so clean. Eh?
Girl, remember some mommy they got come got doctor Monday. I didn't need to get rid of it.
Tina make us so wicked.
It's not the point say wicked. And me I didn't want to dead by mommy. Remember so the money was very close now, girl.
Another alone it very close. That was close too. So you tell me something Tina, you can't believe you. After me tell her say don't go do that, you still go do it.
But they have to do it. But they have to. See, mommy. If mommy never say I can go doctor, I would do nothing.
So what about patrol feelings? What about my feelings too, as a real auntie? As a rich auntie, me tell us you already say you everything go and you still gonna Tina. You know, say no only pick you want get rid of. You know, say you want get rid of yourself too.
Never did want to get rid of me.
Tell me something, tell us you was very close to death. What if they did save the child and let you go? Tell me now. Tina, see right now. You know what? You get that?
Just cut that. I really think more I know how mommy knows say a patrol impregnate me. Mommy does say patrol, this patrol, that patrol. And she not even like a cow, she just attack normal, straightforward. Yeah, I get me confused. Wonder about it. Mommy attack like say my patrol a friend like it was them turn friend for the good time I'm gone. I just not understand.
You don't understand, and me wasn't understand. Because Miss Ivy and Miss Ivy hate patrol like a poison. Me I tell her something, I don't know where they come with you. Why? I have to go find out what go on. But me not tell you lie. You see, poison. What me say your mother hate patrol like, it come like you one way you take rodenticides. You see a rat poison there, I let talk about. Why? To the honest truth, just go and go get some rest. Because I don't touch the road. Because all the things are going with me. I can't tell you now. I'm my battle to fight. So just go on. Matter of fact, see you get one more chance. Go on what you take. Man off your mind and go do something very positive. Because right now, what you plan to do?
I'm going to tell you now. I plan to go hard to go to the front office at the hotel.
That is it. That me they talk about. That me I talk when if you do something constructive. Look for me. You know I'm rich like a me. Eh?
Yeah.
That's me there so I'm bull and me not talk. Me rich. Me have money lock. So you need to go, you need to girl, right now, tell you the truth. Me need to do one skills what me can do. So when me come and me say, yo, sister, do this to me, I can do it. Because I now go on like some intelligent, you know. I'm not too intelligent, you know. I want to dance, you know. Dance. But me still got me thing locked. Because at least money still come in for my side. You understand? So
Yeah.
it's a money making thing. You understand? And guess what? I know you know no subject like I mean a Tina. But you see the hard thing where I say, you need to go on there and you need to go on there. I would have people I'm like in business, you know. But anyways, you need to go on the hard. Shh, this is what I say, them no matter right now. You need to go hard, get a certificate, and do it right. Because guess why, you know? I know subject do it, you know, my friend. Ambition, potential, something what you want to do, something what you know you want to do it, so you go show it where, say, yeah, I hit me, I go do. So, when me I talk to you, brother, I don't talk to you for no foolishness, I don't talk to you with no foolishness.
I know.
And the next thing too, you need to be streetwise. That's when I see them look dirty foot corner boy up on the corner. Run them away. I could have my brother run him away. Because I right at the pregnant road he want to carry up. And you see it he carry there. And if you make him get a chance again, he will carry again. And this time I'm going to get a twin. So let me tell you something. Just hold up your head, my friend. And focus on better things. And just Lego man. You see me win, man?
No.
Ah. See? You don't see me win, man, though?
No.
And that no means I go the wrong way, you know. I not go the wrong way. I just try to make some money and focus on myself and put some business out there and think. Because right now, Patrol, every time say, me and him not have the same mama. Me and him don't have the same mother.
I guess it's so.
Because Patrol role different, man. Different, man. Anyways, just get a thing straight now. Get well and just jump on the heart. You know what I say? I'm going to move from here, so you know.
Alright, I go down.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah, later. Over here.
Yeah, I love it too. Lord Jesus.
I'm going 6.
No, some there, I go on, good.
Yeah, man.
What a dollar, go buy your food. You buy your food. Now, hold on there.
Thanks.
What me say something to you, what there?
What that? What?
Me say like the boy them rob you.
But left that alone, man. Left that alone.
No, my sister, I never find out how we know. And dirt them fear, no? Come here, I cannot believe it.
Yeah, man.
So you're not reporting?
No, me I tell her say, watch her now. Left that alone. Everything good. Understand? Respect for this, sir. Respect for this, sir. Yo, you see, me I tell a friend what you know. Me I tell a friend what you see. What do you me I tell her say you're a thief. But me take you back. Me can't have me money. And people just gonna rob me money so from me. Yo, me say the boy they lucky, you know.
Sis, a joke business is depend on money. You tell me because anytime I find out which boy that me I tell you. Fee.
How do you with Keisha? What will I go?
Where you going with?
I see.
Yeah, man. Everything good.
Yeah,
So you say boy they rob my sister.
I lie.
I hate more and find out right now because anytime I find out which boy that film brain have to open up and I
Who rob you?
put some copper lead in that.
Yeah.
Hold on. So me not see you in a restaurant while I go and tell me about it. I to call me pan.
Yo, watch the bad damn hole I sit down. Cause you tell yo, me telling this bad man. Right now this I reach too far in about that. Here, this I reach too.
Yo, get up no patrol, man. Come like a drop in a patrol.
Hey, yo. Yo, say anytime me find out which boy grown my sister, can a boy never grown me yet, you know? And boy grown my sister, anytime I find out who do that. And my sister give me 3 bills a day, you know, to deal with my operation, you know. A year, anytime.
You know hear nothing. You know hear a who.
You not hear nothing. You not hear.
You not see boy face.
Me not see boy face. Me tell me.
A TV contact lens funny eyeball, you know see? Sis.
Brother, he boy look, he slim in her body. He's slim in her body.
Yeah.
In face, I should guys see the coming in her face. I don't know what kind of color I have or nothing. All me know say I just my money. The boy rub and come take us. What me I do is so much money.
What come down in her face?
He seen there like he rub up in here with some shirt or something.
You should look funny man face, sis man. You should look funny boy face. You can right now, mother find him right now.
Come here, same beat all 10 shot off for you. No. No, you me say fire 10 shot off for him.
Oh! No, some don't know that. Oh! What me get gun from? Huh? What me do? Why know you come?
Hey, relax man. You see I take God just take a picture. Calm down man.
Alright, me I say, where they go?
You know what that mean?
Time is right now.
Anytime me find him.
I get it.
I see him so in head ball a roll. Come in, only for out area.
I murder him. So that's why me get called.
For out area. Yo. You say anytime you find that boy, make sure yo, you see long thing where you give me?
Yeah. Well use it on him.
Wait, yo, me. Yo, I can show that boy the simple.
Me a going, bro. I'm out of rum when me drink, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, me a tell her say a tree bush so me have to walk, bro. If you ever know where me have to walk to go to my yard, bro, you won't even understand, bro. The amount of rum we a drink, bro. Me a wonder if I right place me a walk go. Alright, well say look more again. Alright. I say I heard. Backside. Backside. So me get to a bush up. No side come like that to stop drink. I will train if you go on me yard again. So also. Dip, any mini minor, I'm also.
Watch me on the boy there.
Boy, me not tell a lie no, rum bar and nice, you know man. All Shelly.
Come here, person. Come here, some man.
Hey!
May I ask you something?
No point for me, please.
Mr. May I ask you? Shut. Tapping eyes. Oi, when I a thief me money, you never there.
Me?
Listen, when I a thief me money, you never there. Listen to me. I dare when you see me.
Yeah.
Come here, someone. Come here. You like a whole lump in you.
Me not thief your money.
I dare when you see me come check my brother. And you see me with my money. Who give you the hardest city if you come back and rob me? Eh?
So I'm here drink.
Me say who give it?
Me no.
Come, cool down, sir. Cool down, sir. Cool down, sir.
Tell the truth.
Me say who give you the hardest city if you come rob me?
Me tell you.
Eh?
Me tell you the truth. And me take. Me have some left. Come no hurt me. No analyze me.
Come down, sir.
No analyze me. Please.
Who give you hardest city if you come? Come down, sir.
Alright, take that.
Give me this. Give me this one. Give me. Who give you hardest city if you come take my money? Eh?
Let me explain.
Me ask you a question. I'm shut out of face now.
No do that,
eh?
please. Me have my son and my daughter if you go home to please.
Eh, what? Kneel down. Kneel down. No, kneel down.
You not hurt me. You not gonna hurt me.
Yo.
Please. Me I beg you.
Want me cast a licky?
Please. Me have some.
Want me cast a licky?
Find it for me, please. Me a God bless child. Me no want to analyze me.
Want me cast a licky?
Me no know. Please.
You see, next time when I see people money, don't take them. Don't take people. Me
hurt me,
me
please.
shot him in a man.
Please don't hurt me.
Boy, lift up from your son. Run. Lift up. Watch out. Lift up. Lift up.
No, do me no.
Lift up. Oi, turn up. Please. Jump 3 times. Mr. Jump 3 times.
Alright.
Come back here, son.
Don't do me no, please. Please, don't do me no. Please.
You see, next time you try that.
Me not try again.
Mr. Me bust out it.
Me not.
Don't take my money. Don't take.
Alright. Me go run, you know. Me go run. Don't shoot.
Run over, hey boy.
Somebody like you, can somebody like you like that? Got no one to blame, you're falling apart. A couple of volumes on fixing your heart. Nobody got you, and nobody got you like I did when you left just to find your fix. Keep losing yourself and you call it a win. Now I'm here just like you wanted. Without a warning, 'cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold, turn around on your knees, take the pain just to feel. When you walk through the night and it's so cold, feel me there on your skin, take the pain just to feel. Nobody like you, and nobody do the things that you do. We blaze through the lights, no hands on the wheel. We covered in ice, then we crash through the hills. Ooh, we start a fall. I try to go, but I can't keep it to myself. Ooh, no, I call. You call my name because you know there's no one else. 'Cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold, turn around on your knees, take the pain just to feel. When you walk through the night and it's so cold, feel me there on your skin, take the pain just to feel.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.